Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how fix if your camera isn't working on Windows 11. I'll walk you through 4 easy fixes you can try right now. Let's get started. Step 1. Check camera privacy settings. Press the Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Camera. Make sure camera access and let apps access your camera are both turned on. Step 2. Update camera drivers. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand cameras, right-click your camera, and choose Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Step 3. Reset the camera app. Open Settings again. Go to Apps. Installed Apps. Find Camera. Click on 3 dots. Then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. This refreshes the app to its default settings. Step 4. Run the Troubleshooter. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, then find and run the Camera Troubleshooter. Windows will detect and fix common issues automatically. One of these should get your camera working again on Windows 11. If it helped, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.